Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ray and I'm from usethebitcoin.com, and today I'll be teaching you guys the power of the multiple moving averages. Okay, now multiple moving averages could somehow help us to identify our potential entries and exit levels, and at the same time it would also help us to identify the trend of the market. All right, now let's continue. So in order for us to use multiple moving averages, all you need to do is to click the indicator here on top, okay, and type the word multiple, okay, moving averages. All right, now try to click here, the first one on top, okay, and as what you can see, we have a line here at the chart now, okay, so just close this one. There you go. And then hover your mouse here on top until you see the word settings here. Okay. Now click this part here, and then we will change the value of the information right here. Okay. So just follow what I'm doing. Okay. Uncheck the unnecessary information here. Okay. There you go. All right. And then all you need to do is to make the lines bigger. Okay, so what I want to do is to click the green icon here and then change it to something bigger, right? So for me to see it properly, same with all of these lines here. Let's make it bigger so we could see it properly. There you go. Okay, it means that MA1 is green, MA2 is red, EMA1 is blue, and EMA2 is orange. Okay, try to remember that properly. Okay, the next thing that we need to do is to go to input. All right, and let's change the value. MA1 should be 20, MA2 should be 50, EMA1 should be 100, and EMA2 should be 200. Okay, just follow the settings here. Okay, all you need to do next is to click this one, show SMA. All right, and there you go. You have 4 lines here now. Okay, and once you're done with that, just click OK. All right, again, if I'm too fast, just pause the screen for a moment and then copy the settings right here. Okay, and then click OK. Now I want you guys to remember the proper order of these lines. Okay, green should be on top of red, red should be on top of blue, and blue should be on top of orange. Okay, now when you see that, it means that we are in an uptrend. Okay, we are still in the bull trend. Okay, MA1 should be on top of MA2, MA2 should be on top of EMA1, and EMA1 should be on top of the orange line here, or the EMA2. Okay, again, try to remember that is the uptrend. Okay, now I want you guys to look at this area right here. Okay, what can you see? Green is on top of red, red is on top of blue, and blue is on top of orange, right? Is that the proper order for the EMA? Okay, look at this portion again. Okay, if yes, then that is a signal for us to buy. Okay, what we need to do next is to enter the market. Click buy. Okay, because it means that sooner or later we will have another bull trend here. Okay, are you ready? Let's click the play button. All right, so there you go, guys. As what you can see, our asset now is moving upwards. Why? Because we are at the proper formation of the moving averages: green, red, blue, orange. Okay, remember that always. Okay, and let's see what will happen next. Okay, let's click the play button. Okay, there you go. Oops. All right. Okay, let's move it downwards. Okay. Again, we are still at the proper formation. Okay, let's continue and play it. Okay, there we go. We are still on top. So just imagine, guys, by simply following this strategy, you could earn a lot of money here. Okay, we are just following the proper order of the MAs. Okay, now let's continue and observe what will happen. Oops. Okay. As what you could see it here, guys, it touched the green line here. Okay. But if you're going to look at the MAs here again, we are still at the proper order. Okay. It means that these MAs are also signifying as support and resistance. And at this level right here, it represents the support. Okay. Prices went down and bounced up again because the green line is representing the support levels here. Okay, so what we need to do there is to buy. Okay, because we are at the support, and what will happen at the support levels? Prices may still go up. Okay, so click buy. There you go. And then let's observe what will happen next. All right, so as you can see, it is still going upwards. Why? Because the green line is supporting the prices here. Okay, let's continue. Okay, there we go. We are gaining a lot of money from this one now. Okay, let's continue. Wow. Okay, it's still going up. Right, let's continue. Boom. Okay, it touched these levels right here. It means we should be buying at around those areas. Okay, but unfortunately, my hands are quite slow, so I didn't buy it. Okay, but yeah, let's just continue. Okay, there you go. As what you could see here, the price now is below the green line here. Okay, it means it broke out of the support levels right here. Okay, but look at the colors of the line: green, red, blue, and orange. Are we still at the proper formation of the MAs? The answer is yes. Okay, so it means that you should not worry too much. All you need to do is just to buy, okay, buy this price right here because we are still in an uptrend. Okay, what we need to do is just to click buy. Okay, and let's see what will happen next. Okay, there you go. As what you can see, the red line here is now acting as the support levels. A while ago, it was the green, but now it was the red, okay? But look at the formation of the colors here. It is just still the same. We are still in an uptrend. Green, red, blue, and orange, okay? Let's see what will happen next. All right, there you go. It's still moving upwards. Okay, so let's continue. All right. Prices are still going up. Okay, there you go. What can you see there, guys? Okay. It broke out of the support levels right here again, but the formation of the colors here are still the same. Okay. What we need to do is to add more, to just buy. Okay. It means that we are just having a retracement, but we are still in an uptrend. Okay. Do you get it? Okay, let's continue and let's play this one. Okay, there you go. So what you can see, prices are still going up. Why? Because we are still at the proper formation of the MAs. Okay, and next, let's continue. Okay, there you go. It touched the red line here again. Okay, the red line is acting as the support levels here. So we could still buy from that. Okay, buy from the support. And then let's see what will happen. Okay, as what you can see, it's still going up. There you go. All right, let's continue. Boom, boom. Okay, as what you can see, it broke the red line here, and the blue line here is now acting as the support levels. But try to look at the green line here. It is now slowly moving downwards. Okay, so be careful when that is happening because it means that sooner or later we will have a reversal in the market. Okay, a while ago, green, red, blue, and orange, that is signifying an uptrend. Okay, but sooner or later, maybe we will have a bear trend here. Okay, so let's just buy from the support levels here because as what I've said, these are acting as support levels too. So I will buy. Okay, and let's see what will happen. Okay, oops, there you go. As what you could see it here, guys, the green line now is below the red line. Okay, it means that that is the signal for me to sell my asset. Okay, let's browse again. Okay, as what you can see here, we bought it here, 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 and here. Okay, because that is still signifying a bullish trend. But now that it's slowly curling up, okay, green is below the red line here, then that is signifying for me to sell everything. Okay, so let's just sell everything. There you go. Okay, so it means if we are just following this trend, we might earn a lot of money. Okay, and let's observe what will happen next. Okay, there you go, guys. Yeah, as what you can see, we made the right decision of selling everything here because the market is not in the proper order now. Okay, red is on top of green. Okay, and green is slowly going below the blue line here as well. Okay, that means that the market now is entering the bear cycle or the bear trend. Okay, let's continue. And there you go, guys. So it's the good decision for us to sell our asset right there. Okay? So I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Again, just buy it, okay, when you see that we are at the proper formation of the market. But sell it when it is slowly curling like this one, okay? Red is on top, green is below, blue and orange. It means we are not in the proper formation of the market. Again, it means that sooner or later we will have a bear market here. Okay, and that is what is happening here. All right. So I hope you learned something from this quick tutorial. Okay, stay away if you see that the market is moving like this one. Okay, and be confident enough if you see that the market is at its proper order. All right. So yeah, that is our tutorial for today. So if you think that this video is helpful, then please subscribe to our channel because we will be making more tutorials such as this one. All right, so thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.